Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you guys, people call it waste of money, but this guy is approaching 300,000 on his Lexus. He was changing oil every 5,000, then he switched to changing every 15,000, and now he's approaching 297. I'm gonna ask him to send me a picture when he reaches 300. So basically he's about 3,000 shy from 300k. Beautiful car. I'll show you guys. And he was one of those people who was hesitant to try 15,000 mile oil change intervals. He did not believe. And this is down south. You know, down south there's a lot of heat. But this is a 2008 Lexus RX. RX350. Right there. Clean engine, no oil leaks, nothing. 300. Majority of people dump those vehicles around 100, 150,000, thinking they're junk. Well, if you use junk products, yeah, of course it's gonna be junk. But if you use a quality products and change more often, well, you're gonna get a lot of miles out of this vehicle. So, what is he using? Did he change this every 15,000 miles? That's what he uses. This is the oil. Why 15,000? Because oil filter is ready for 15,000. If oil filter was ready for 20,000, he would run it for 20,000. But oil filter is why he changes. So he saved a lot of money by doing it. He saved a lot of money on maintenance. Engine has never been open. I'm sure you guys ask me what kind of repairs he done to this car. Well, the only repairs told me he done, never been opened the engine, one spark plugs. The both repairs he done, regular maintenance. Spark plugs once, water pump, alternator once, radiator, AC still original, condenser still original. Radiator was start leaking, you know, which is typical when you have plastic radiators. Many cars they start leaking down. And regular maintenance, brakes, rotors, filters, original transmission. He never dropped a oil pan on transmission. Still running it, just keep changing it, using it, quality products. Changing it not every 100,000, every 30, 40,000. And that's how you get 300,000, you get 500,000, half a million, you know, maintenance. But what's more impressive, 15,000 mile oil change intervals. So that's how it is. And no oil leaks. Look at this. Clean asphalt. No oil leaks. That's amazing. For 300,000 miles. People very often afraid, oh, it's high mileage, it's gonna break down. It's not gonna break down if you maintain. Of course, if you don't maintain, it's gonna break down, just like anything else. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others.